Hi, this is Henry from the Event East team. For our week 6 project, I will demonstrate our API with the oath authentication and the last two collections, invitations and RSVPs. Now let's go to our production link. Here is our production link. So you can see that our Event East API is running in the production mode. Now let's have a look at our GitHub. You can see there are no sensitive configurations stored here, but here in our environment all sensitive configurations are stored in our render environment. So we now go straight to Swagger UI API.dos. So you can see we have our 4 collections: events, invitation, RSVPs, and the users. Now first, let's try to test each one. Let's get all events. So we'll go to events, get all events, select any category and execute. So you can see we have the 200 response with event data array working perfectly. We can also try the post API invitations. Let's minimize this. The post. Let's assume we are trying to create these strings. We now execute. You can see the invitation created successfully. We can also try to update the RSVP. Here and go to update, and let's just call it existing RSVP ID. So let's see, you can see status to updated RSVP. So you can also do the delete invitation. Let's go to invitations. You can delete an invitation. So you can use an existing ID invitation. Let's see, invitation ID execute. So to delete invitation ID. So you can also delete that and also in RSVP2. Now we can also go to data handling validations, the post and the put route. So let's try to go to the post API invitations. Post API invitations. So we can clear some field. Here is the post API. Let's say we clear some field here and then execute. You can see expected property JSON line. So we can see our error message when we have some empty fields. You can also check an invalid input. So we'll go to input API events. You can go to put API events. Let's try this ID, then execute. You can see event not found. So we got an error message. Now let's go to our oath authentication. So we can try to get our user, say API users, that's me. Then you can see invalid user ID. So alright, so let's try to log in. We'll come here, go to the OATS Google. Continue. So we have a success message. You can copy our token ID. Copy the token ID. Head to our API documentation. Okay, we already have that. So we already documented. So we paste it in our Bearer link, and that's that. So we can also log out. Come here, go to the API, ports, log out. Friends, log back in. Okay, let's go back to our DOS. PI docs planner. Okay, that's that. So now we can also test our this. We can just come here, check our events. You can see all our event tests here available in our VS Code. Now my contribution here is that I implemented the complete Google OATS system. Just saw working, added data validations, invitation, and RSVP collections. So that's that for this particular demonstration. Thank you for watching.